Good morning, student. Today we will study of class third subject moral science. Your book name is Friendship with Values. Now will we start chapter 2. Chapter 2. Chapter 2 title of is Cycle of Evils. About the chapter. In this chapter, we shall learn how a cruel king become a gentle monarch. Think and discuss. Mercy, mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. Once there was a king who was so cruel and unjust that his subjects yearned, yearned desired for his death or dethronement. dethronement. However, one day he surprised them all by announcing that he had decided to turn over a new leaf. No more brutally, no, no more injustice. He promised, and he was as good as his word. He became known as the gentle monarch. Monarch, monarchs. Month after, gentle monarch, month after his transformation is changing. One of his minister plucked up enough courage to ask him what had brought about his change of heart, and the king answered, as I was galloping, as I was galloping through my forests, I caught sight of a fox being chased by a hound. The fox escaped into his soul, but not before the hound had bitten into its leg and lamed it for life. Later, I rode into a village and and saw the same hound there. It was barking at a man. Even as I watched, the man picked up a huge stone and flung it at the dog, breaking its leg. The man had not went or when he was kicked by a hare. His knee, his knee was shattered. Shattered means crashed, and and he fell to the ground, disabled for life. The horse began to run, but it fell into a hole and broke its leg, reflecting on all that had happened. I thought, evil begets evil. If I continue in my evil ways, I, I, I will surely be overtaken by evil. So I decided to change. The minister went away, convinced that the time was ripe to overthrow the king and seize the throne. Emerged in thought, he did not see the steps in front of him and fell, breaking him neck. Now complete your lesson. Moral of the story is evil begets evil. Now complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 2.